I would like to welcome you to the Agritech exhibition 2013. Now, Sadhguru Management Consultants is basically a management advisory firm. We provide strategic consulting services to various companies, and also we are involved in a lot of agriculture development projects. One of our main development projects is the Agriculture Biotechnology Support Project 2, where we are helping farmers gain access to modern biotechnology that will help them with their yields in the field. Product that has created a lot of furor in the media recently, the BT Brinjal. Now, BT Brinjal, contrary to what a lot of people say, BT Brinjal is a perfectly safe product. It is a tried and tested product based on a tried and tested technology. The basic idea behind this was to enable farmers access to agriculture biotechnology, transgenic technology. A lot of poor farmers do not have access to this. So what we did was we got public institutions and private organizations to work together to develop both hybrids and varieties of BT Brinjal. So that up to 12 varieties of BT Brinjal are being developed in India by 3 universities: the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad, and the Indian Institute of Vegetable Research. Now, all this together are providing 12 varieties. Now, the varieties, contrary to what a lot of people say, varieties, the people can get the varietal seeds from the universities at very low cost. They can grow them, they can get seeds from their yield, and then reuse them. Now, apart from this, we are also involved in a lot of other agriculture development projects like the AIP, Agriculture Innovations Partnership, where we are sort of linking up 6 American agriculture universities and 4 Indian agriculture universities to develop curriculum, enable these universities to provide training to local farmers in small villages and all that to increase their income. So these are only some of the things that we do. A lot of the other services that we offer, management, technology management services, and many other services.